In this video, we're going to talk about how you can fish tag your waypoints.
Okay, so we're going to talk about how we can do fish tagging on waypoints, which is a brand new feature on the new Simrad operating system, and we're going to show it to you here on NSS 4 today. So if I come out here where we can see we have some predetermined waypoints, and I'm going to arbitrarily pick a spot, and we're going to edit this spot, and then I'm going to show you how we can do this similarly utilizing a new waypoint as well. So if I come in here, I'm going to go to see waypoint details, right? So this is going to give me all the details that this waypoint provides to us. The name, which is a numerical 0053, the distance, the bearing, and then you're going to see this tagline here. This is something new that we've added. We know that a lot of folks, when they're out fishing and they come across and they've caught some red grouper, red snapper, gag grouper, at least in my area, they go in, they save that waypoint, and they label it gags, and they'll maybe even put in some notes, caught 3 gags on such and such a bait, the moon phase was such, all that information, which is all relative. But then when you go back out and it's say it's gag grouper season, and you just want to see all the places that you've caught gags at, instead of cycling through all the grouper spots that you may have saved, I'm going to show you how you can do that in a real efficient manner. So we're going to come in here, we're going to tag this waypoint here where we've caught some gag groupers before. So I'm going to come in, hit add. It gives us all this new information here, which is all different species of fish. So if I look across here, the most recent one is going to pop to the top here, which is grouper, right? So I'm going to go in, I'm going to tag that, right? Brings it up here with a check mark, and I'm going to tag that item, okay? That waypoint now, 0053, without me knowing that we caught grouper on that, is now tagged as grouper. I can come in here still and I can change the icon. Let's call it big fish. And we'll leave it as the color blue, and we're done. The beauty of this is now I can come in into my waypoints and routes and say I'm getting ready to plan out for a specific run, right? So I have all these waypoints in here, right? And a multitude of waypoints, right? And what I want to do is I just want to find my grouper spots, right? That I've tagged, actually not named, but that I've tagged. I come in here to filters, and granted, we can do a lot of filtering. We can filter certain areas. We can make some crazy shapes here and filter that. But the intent and purpose of this is I'm going to filter by tags, and I'm going to filter by grouper. And it's going to bring up the 2 spots that I have that have been tagged with the grouper species on there. So pretty cool. New fish tagging on the new Simrad operating system, showing you on NSS 4. Now I'm going to show you how we can go back to our chart, and now we can just pick a spot and say we come out here, we're going to add a waypoint, and same thing, right? I can name it whatever I want. I could name it grouper, I could leave it as 15, or I could name it GRP. Like, there's multitudes of ways that people name this, but the easiest way is, again, to come into tags, hit your grouper spot, tag that item. We already have it labeled as big fish because that's the last icon that we use. We have it as blue, that's the last icon we use, and we're done. So now if we go back into our waypoint screen, which we can find here on the activity bar because it's a recently used app. Now if I come in here, now I have 3 spots. So that's the one that we just saved. That's the one that we edited. This was another one that I saved previous to this video. So that's how easy it is now to pull up certain species of fish, depending on the seasonality that you may have, without having to go through a myriad of list of all your fishing spots. And that's brand new on the new Simrad operating system and shown to you today on NSS 4.16.